Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Penny efi edem ho akọ odi bibi tudwa efa o my Ghana ya ho bambo ho nsem enete bia wo anyame anim no kure ni chairman atete kwan a o my Ghana ya ho bambo ho nsem esi ato ape mfie mienu ni akiri ha because the bia da chairman boneye intitirasem se nipa bonefo efa Ghana de share ene ya hoho numum kidnapping awudie kwa na ekosoro ha obi biara because last year they said the chama wankasa kan August and you started ya enkoda water crade started ya nipa bonefo bi efefa omunumu ma bisi November omoye baako yentimi nya ho hwe no ma yemienu yentimi nya ho bibiara na eno no hye won kuran hye won den hye won kutupa emo ye ne mo afia yesi mi India ni businessman baako wo Kumase mienu na nipa bonifo bi akoto akofo omunumu abisi nde ho asem yen kan wiye eno ankoda chairman na yese Estonian consular to Ghana just meka ni twika semu Estonia man o manam sinia owo Ghana ni pabonifo bi so asanso akofa ne domo agu Ghana ni mu ase bebre e dia yemhihie aba ahokwo diplomats omo wo Ghana omo di omo nyuma e ma omo man yenka wasem nwieye na Canada mamienu Kumase wa omoso yakofo omunumu. And in fact, apart from these high profile cases, you know, bebre sisi in the regions akwa na ekosoro ya ho bambo nyuma yiku ewo my Ghana mu no yen shede hu di anamompa omutu fa ho nhihye omudi gu akwa mu se omo magi sa boni we no ye be che won de won famra kwan so atwe won aso na etimi twa sa de no so ye hu nhihye bi omudi gu akwa mu se ye de so ano na ye de tu sa de we ase ye de abrase awudie boni ye de ye den a etimi si even amama ya wodo o makọ mani nti say US kwa na esi but say esi a the response of authorities, the security agencies to it and here ye mpanyimfo e wo krom ha de e kame ayese o mudi omunim ya ne kasa chama general kasa press conference and you be press conferences here kasa ne boshe hunu eni nyina so bia asem na ba bonche wo benya ntoboase o ma ye professional gather intelligence nama affected families, affected nations, and we say, aban way, aban papa and penyufo to an papa no. Enti kwa na ekosoro. So when will it end? Who is next? Chama general na Sami Jemfi.
Abaya Sami Jemfi nyamia.
Chama, that is it. I am Shishiano because you look at the statistics, violent crime in Kosoro. And this Ongenian, to quote the president, Ongenian phenomenon of kidnapping, targeted diplomats, high profile personalities. That Bennett will be car. The man penny, a minister of interior, a minister of defense, a security couples, dear no more yafa home. Chairman, Medeo page 147 of the NPP 2016 manifesto. Now the way tiasemwa ewo ho. Na wa hwese de na ye hui anamo aban modern mo all boy so eno na Ghana for ye deserve and now we deserve better. Page 147 of NPP 2016 manifesto say omampenyi Akufo-Addo no mu brofo ni Ghanaians are becoming increasingly concerned about their security due to the increasing levels of crime and lawlessness under the Mahama-led NDC government. Today, Ghanaians don't feel safe. The Mahama-led NDC government has failed the people of Ghana in terms of the security of the country and of its citizens. Our existing laws are largely not enforced. Chama Uti. And when they are done selectively, often with much interference from the executive. The MPP government will secure peace and security for all Ghanaians. Under the MPP government, Ghanaians will feel safe on the streets and in their homes. Ghanaians will go about their daily business in the secure knowledge that their persons, properties and lives are safe under an MPP government. Someone me bizarre say, "Boss say or mo say ye akusi say," and then no money ati. Ahobambo won semwa ye man panyin wo opposition o kan ye charge on Mahama Dapa ye ba de Ghana mra be ye adwuma ye nyanyimu ye be build strong institutions, and then we are not seeing anything. The situation is worsening. Na media ye me yakra wo Mr. Chairman. Aban we impenyefo kan bibi ye ka bibi wo poto kasam say to whom much is given much is expected. Say ya ma ododo a e wo say wadwuma wo ye no so it show say yes dodo na ye de ama ho no mfaso a ye nyani. Aban we nko ni aban wa Ghana bakose we free Georgesburg penso bisi ne wafa Minister of National Security, and at the same time wafa Minister of State in charge of National Security.
No, some Minister of National Security new.
Oh, and NDC ne bi ho, NDC 1. But some ni Minister of State in charge of National Security. We mu de omo Minister of National Security Honorable Kandapa. Oma sanso wafa Minister of State in charge of National Security. Omo National Security Advisor. Omo National Security Coordinator. Omo Minister of Interior, Minister of Defense, ni omo deputies Bubruja. What IGP will CDS. What are we paying them for? Look, Chairman, and then they say Uncle Kwesi Kadia won't go well. What's the man in can you? The contradictions, the unprofessional work, the comedy of errors on their part. Yache Obima, the sinner, a bushman for and a wofo huomo, na CID boss, a friend and truffle. See any baby omo keep on keeping hope. Monsabe kan kodani sisi besi ne. Sana yonkontompo acha opakra ma mi mpadi. Not even an apology. Penyufo kukuda wo man ma ka say de ma mi aye emma ni penya gidie wo san institution ni mu biem. Nti kebe ya nka yensesa no wo de ye nyi na di kra yensesa ni free baby wo no. Ankokwaku ba ko mu nyina made those suggestions. O ma penyi so ntie aban so ntie no da so te wo. Enwa agency ba ko ka sem koda na yehu baby omo no na Deputy Minister of Defense Honorable Kodro eti Asempa FM say ono onye magician enkura no pa de so betinya ka sem enkura na yebi hu omo a ono de ontimi nka asem no ontimi nka because ono onye magician onye nyankopon, and yet another agency so say oh ye ni baby omo. The contradictions. If they stop talking, what will happen? If they stop talking and work, what will happen? Hey Chairman, tebia na ye wo mu no enye fe e wo sa ban emia nyemam ya ho bambon nsemu no sachira nyema. Oh, the poor handling of what is happening not the mere incidents of the crime, but the poor handling. Chairman, nipa bone for kidnapping Ghana this year ni yakoho. I want say you focus, so you gather intelligence, focus on these criminals near Chiomono. MPP communicators got radio so almost a kidnapper near Samolo for one pofo. Now buying penny for in a cabby. Doing cheap, very cheap partisan politics with it. They don't believe it.
Why can't say for some pofo?
All their communicators.
I'm asking why they can't.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet